We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some fried green tomatoes, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Okay, I have my green tomatoes, I have my eggs, and I also have my cornmeal back there. And in this little container I have some salt and some black pepper. I may not use all this salt, at least I know I'm not going to use all this, but I'm going to keep my salt and pepper in this container. Okay, and I also have some cooking oil. I'm using canola oil. That is it. I'm going to show y'all 2 ways to make these fried green tomatoes. You don't have to use the eggs if you do not want to, okay? So let's get started. Okay, in my skillet, I'm adding just enough oil to cover the bottom and maybe a little bit over. I'm going to let this heat up like on a medium heat, and then I'm going to increase my heat when I get ready to add my tomatoes, okay? Here I'm going to show y'all how I slice mine, and I'm going to cut this part off, and then sometimes I would take this part out, okay? And you can slice this as thin or thick as you prefer. Okay, I'm gonna cut one more. Be extremely careful using your knife. Now I'm spreading these out so we can season them. Here we're beating our 2 eggs for our egg wash. Y'all, I decided to add just a little bit more black pepper on these. Okay. For my coating, I'm using some regular yellow cornmeal. I'm going to turn my heat up some, just a little bit. I'm increasing my heat to like a medium-high heat. Now hear that? That means my oil is ready. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm going to take one of my tomatoes and I'm going to coat it with the cornmeal. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all how to cook them with the egg wash and without it. With this first batch that I'm cooking, I'm going to cook them without the egg wash. Letting y'all know my heat is on like number 7 because we don't want to fry these too fast, and we also don't want to fry them too slow. So between 7 and 8 should be fine. These doesn't take very long to cook, y'all. Do one more. Add it to the skillet. Okay. Keep checking on your tomatoes to make sure they are browning, and after they get like a golden brown, you're ready to turn them over. So keep watching them and checking to see if it's brown. These are not ready just yet, so we're gonna let them cook just a little bit more longer. Time after time, keep checking to see if they're ready. So let's check them again. Yes, it's the way I want them. What we're looking for is a golden brown color. If you prefer yours crispier, just let them fry a little longer. While I'm waiting on my tomatoes to fry, I decided to go old school, y'all. And I put a piece of paper towel on a plate because the paper towel soaks up a lot of oil, and so I prefer to use a paper towel. But if you have a cooking rack or something of that sort, use it. Crispier, you can let them cook a little longer. Well, this is the way I prefer. With this batch, we're going to use our egg wash. Okay, I'm going to place this over in there like that, like so. Then I'm going to place it over into my cornmeal. And we're going to place it over in there. Okay. I'm going to continue doing this process until we're all done with our adding them to the skillet. And like I say, the only difference I can see in the egg wash, it does help the coating to stay on the tomato more better. So but it's up to you if you want to use it. If you do not prefer the egg wash, you do not have to use it. I'm going to finish cooking these up, and I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, these are ready. I'm removing this second batch from the skillet, and y'all see how golden brown they are. And like I said, it all depends on how you like yours. If you prefer yours to have a crispier taste, let them fry just a little longer. Our fried green tomatoes are all ready and ready to be eaten, y'all. Okay, y'all, we are back, and I'm going to show y'all how these turn out. Let me show y'all how they turn out. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one. Let me get eaten with any type of meal that you prefer. Like me and Miss Lisa was talking about. Miss Lisa, you remember us talking about these fried green tomatoes? I could eat the whole plate by itself. And that's a meal for me. Okay. I'll show y'all how they turn out. See? Let me taste it. These are so delicious, y'all. This is country eating at its best, or southern eating. Y'all, this is so good. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit.